Hey guys, welcome back to Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, EQVP GLP-1 6-in-1 weight loss drops. Now, you might be wondering, what is the EQVP GLP-1 drops that you may be hearing or seeing online? Well, EQVP GLP-1 6-in-1 is an oral liquid marketed as a weight management and metabolic support supplement. Now, the product is promoted as containing tersepatide alongside ingredients such as moringa, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, and ginkgo biloba. Now, in one of the websites that it's being sold, or in most cases, in most websites being sold here, it claims it can support appetite control, blood sugar, metabolism, digestion, and fat burning here. Now, the thing with this one is they do promote or they do give like illustrations about weight loss here, as you can see right now. But what does it actually offer here? Now, the product itself or the product is actually marketed or it is marketed around appetite control, blood sugar regulation, and also metabolic health and fat burning and gut health, and also even like liver support and immunity and even cognitive support. So that's a lot. So it also claims that the formula can produce noticeable weight loss results quickly, and these are marketing claims that from the seller or in most websites it's actually being sold from. So it shouldn't be treated as an established medical effect here. Now, how do you exactly use this specific product here? Now, in most cases, with product listings for this specific product here, there's not much information about instructions on how to take it, but according to some instructions here, you take one bottle every day and either before or after meals and drink it directly without dilution or without diluting it. However, instructions do not specify that clearly in here, so you may want to refer to the actual packaging here for the exact instructions here. This may depend on the current version that you may receive. Now, currently, for the pricing itself, well, EQVP product, the product itself is listed at around $18.90 to around $40.90, depending on the quantity you are going to select on their product pages here. But yeah, if you're interested with this product here, or if you really want to try it for yourself, and also because this is a product that makes claims involving weight loss, blood sugar, and tersepatide, it would be a better bet here to maybe speak to with a doctor or healthcare practitioner for or healthcare provider first, or a pharmacist before actually taking it, rather than treating it as an alternative to an approved GLP-1 medication, just to be on the safer side. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.